Hey everyone, it's Amel with Agent Locator. Now that we've covered part one of the lead generation platform, let's get into the back-end system. Let's get to the brain of the operation, as we say, of your entire platform here, the CRM. So what we're looking at right now is the profile of a lead that one of our current clients have. Two things are going to happen automatically on your behalf every single time. Every single lead will get a text message, a personalized text message in the first 5 minutes of becoming a lead, and they will also be set up on a search with the MLS automatically for you. Now, the CRM knows the parameters on what to say in the text message and the filters to preset for you for the MLS search, because what happens when someone actually registers that profile we went over in the first video and becomes a lead, the CRM starts to track everything they're clicking on. So if we actually take a look over here, we'll see that this lead has in fact looked at 16 properties, and it'll give you some details on what some of those properties are in the area. However, we can go a step further. Let's go ahead and click on the more details button. And now what we're looking at is the full lead activity. So we're taking all of that information we're tracking, the budget, the area, and the type of properties, and that's what we import into the text message, and that's what's actually being used for the parameters of that MLS search that gets set up automatically as well. Now, this tool in itself is going to be very valuable for you. It's going to be a big time saver. You're going to know for a fact which houses they're clicking on, how many times they've clicked on the house, how many times they viewed the photos of this house. We do place, of course, the corresponding MLS number under the property. You can filter all of the activity based on last viewed, most viewed, price ascending, price descending, to really lock in on which properties you want to discuss with your leads. Not only that, we have a map display that's going to aggregate exactly the locations in map form, so you can really get that eagle eye view of what your clients are looking for. If we go over to the analytics side, you're going to know some of the data that we're keeping track of: properties viewed, average price, bedrooms, bathrooms, types of properties, communities, and sub-communities. I really call this the cheat sheet, you guys. I'm sure you can see why. This is typically information a realtor would have to have multiple conversations to get, extract from the leads. And I'm sure we've all dealt with some home buyers. They don't know how to tell you what they want, but they know it when they see it. This tool is just going to cut down on that back and forth that you guys sometimes have with your clients. Big, massive tool you're going to be using each and every day with your leads. A couple of the other features we have here to expand on the MLS search that gets set up automatically. We're going to find that under the saved listing searches. This is the original campaign that was set up for this lead. If we actually click edit here, we can take a look at those parameters. Now, obviously, as you get to know your leads better, you're going to want to add or change certain filters. For example, if this lead you find out needs 2 kitchens, she's got a massive family, 2 kitchens are a must, we can go ahead and add that as a filter item and update the actual search within the CRM. You don't need to go into your CRM portal, have 2 systems running at once. You can literally do everything from our CRM here. Not only can you edit the original search these leads are set up on, but you can actually set them up on an entirely different MLS search. So if you've had a separate conversation, we can go ahead and get into that as well. Oh, you're also looking for a cottage up north? Not a problem at all. Let me go ahead and fix that up for you. It's going to be real seamless. And again, it's located in one place here conveniently for you. Now, if we take a peek over here on the emails tab, this is where we're going to see those searches actually being sent out to the leads. Not only that, if we check under status, you'll know it was delivered and in fact when it was opened. Under status changed, we're going to let you know when it was opened. So if you see a pattern forming here with some of your clients, you know the best time to call them. Not only that, you can actually select this option to receive an alert when the lead goes back to the landing page or likes actually properties. So you'll get an alert right away. So maybe you can time your phone calls and really get them when they're in that mind frame to discuss real estate. Now, we can sync your entire G Suite to the CRM, meaning you can compose emails right within the CRM itself, custom emails. Not only that, import any existing email templates that you might have and are using currently. Go ahead and import them into our CRM. So again, it's going to be that one centralized location for efficiency with your leads. Not only that, you can set your own e-campaigns as you see fit. Again, you can import any existing e-campaigns or drip campaigns, whatever you call them, into our CRM. It's going to perform those beautifully. Under the tasks, you can set up a callback task, and this will actually sync it to your Google Calendar automatically. So you get those alerts and you're not missing any phone calls, that sort of thing. To expand on the SMS, we do have the full sync of the conversation in the CRM. Not only that, you can call your leads using the built-in dialer our CRM provides. Here's the cool thing about the dialer. You have the option to actually record your phone conversations, meaning under the notes and calls tab here, it will log it, time and date stamp it, and you can always play back this conversation for yourself or download it as an MP3 file for whatever reason you would need to. Now that we've covered some of the high value features we have in the CRM, I want to expand it to the front dashboard. Some of the encompassing features you receive as well. I'm not going to go over every little detail simply because if you're interested on getting a really in-depth feel on this, I suggest you go over to AgentLocator.us and go ahead and schedule a personalized one-on-one demonstration with myself or one of the other sales executives, and we are more than happy to dive deep in this. But for the purpose of this video, I want it to be very short and concise so you can kind of get the meat and potatoes right away. A couple of the other features the CRM provides, you can import your existing database into the CRM, your existing leads, and work out of one system, of course. You have the ability to mass email, mass SMS, and a plethora of other features here. I'm not going to go over those features again. I want to keep this video short, but you do receive 100% training on the back end of this platform when you become a client with AgentLocator. We firmly believe in education is the best way to create efficiency. Our CRM is not complicated. We built a CRM for real estate for that specific reason. However, new platforms are new at the end of the day. So we're going to ensure we set you up for success and make sure you really know how to drive this puppy to its maximum potential. Guys, it's been my pleasure to quickly highlight some of the features of the CRM here. As always, if you have any additional questions or want to schedule that personalized one-on-one demonstration, please go to our website, agentlocator.us. Go ahead and click the request a demo button, fill out your information, and you will be contacted promptly by either myself or one of the other wonderful sales executives we have here.